For convenience, ShortStack integrates with your favorite third-party apps such as Mailchimp. This integration will add any collected entries from a ShortStack form directly into a Mailchimp list. It can be set up in just a few steps. Start by opening the Form Container widget and click Advanced on the left. Click the button to configure integrations. Select the Mailchimp integration. If you see this yellow notification, you need to go back and add a Boolean field as a mailing list opt-in to your form. Add a form field to your form and select the Boolean field type. Check the box to enable the Mailchimp integration. You'll need to paste your Mailchimp API key in this field. This API key will be found in your Mailchimp account. If you have more than one Boolean in your form, you can select the one you'd like to use here. Select the Mailchimp list you would like to add entries to. If you have a new subscriber autoresponder set up in Mailchimp, you can click here to select it. Lastly, map the fields in the form so the data for each new contact is recorded in Mailchimp correctly. When you're done, click Continue and Save.